Look at that goodness. That's what comes out of today's video. Yeah, today's cook. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen, and we're using chicken fried barbecue, Texas rib grind on these babies. These are beef and these are baby back pork. This is going to be awesome. Stay with me. Stay with me. So this is the masterbuilt gas smoker, and I'm trying to get the gauge back up, the temp back up, but I'm fixing to open this up and it's going to go back down. But I haven't used this in probably over a year. I'm doing a little different setup. I'll let the smoke come out. All right, so we got some pork ribs right there, baby backs. Got me a beef rib right there. And then I just got the full water tray. And then I'm going with some chunks in that. And this is going, we're going to leave them bare. And we're using chicken fried barbecue Texas rib grind on all of it. I was going to do Uncle Steve shake thick meat on that one, but I figured, hey, I got this out. Let's just keep rolling. All right, let's see how long these take like this. And the old boy had you. Oh, you know what? Let me tell you this. So I was walking through Walmart a couple years ago. I hate Walmart. And this smoker was the last smoker of this brand, of this model. And it was regular $1.99. They sold it to me for 99 bucks just to get rid of it. And I've had it for years, but I don't think I've cooked on it or smoked with it in over a year. All right, well, now that I let all the heat out, let's get it back on. We'll be right back. All right, we're a little higher than I want to be. Let's check her out. Whoo, give her a sec. Oh yeah. Check out them beef ribs. Yeah, those will be the first ones gone. Oh, that looks freaking awesome. And the porks do too. Got me a little light going. 3 hours into that cook. Smoke. All right, here's my final product on the smoke. It was 4 hours. There's the beef, and there's the baby back porks. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to let them cool off for about an hour, and then we'll stick them in the fridge because we'll heat them up in the zgrills tomorrow with the sausage we got going to a party. Look at that. I might have to sneak one of them beef ribs off of there. I'm not sure. All right, y'all. We'll see you. All right, I'm going to say that all looks awesome. All right, that does look beautiful. And we used Bill's chicken fried barbecue Texas rib grind. I keep using that. Beef on top, pork on bottom. All right, so we got beef ribs, look freaking awesome. 2 baby back ribs. Let's just take the end. Let's smoke them. Check out that beef sausage. Ooh wee, and it's steaming. Check out the rain. Yeah. Got a good smoke on it. It's right there, a good bite. Look at that. You notice I'm trying to take on the end and not ruin it. You know, we're just going to pull. Here's the pork. Good bite. Maybe a smidgen dry there on the end. That's what we have. 2 cooks for snacks today. We're going to a party. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. And Miami Dolphins in 1972 never lost a football game. Yeah, and I was there. I went to one of the games. See y'all.